Freedom Traders, this is your boy Collins FT. Guys, once again, we're gonna do our thing. We practice backtesting. Today is AUD USD, and I was practicing already before. I kind of thought, okay, let's make a video so we can still say start as fresh, or we choose a different pair. Let's say GU. Yep, let's go for GU. And how was GU? I didn't have a trade today on GU. Let's see, for the whole of this week I didn't trade GU because I was waiting for GU to do exactly what it's doing. As you can see, guys, my setup is always there. You see, it's simple. This is my real trading. This is live. You see, 29th May. This is weekly. We can go to daily. You see, this is Friday, 2nd June 2023, and as you can see from my analysis, always, guys, okay, this I will just give it out as a signal for next week, though it hasn't hit my areas yet. As you can see, usually, as you've been reading if you've been watching my videos, I will tell you, you don't trade inside here. You don't trade at all. Though the market gave buy signal here by engulfing this harami candle. This is a harami candle, and an engulfment after a harami candle is always a very good signal. So the market did buy, which is the next level. It's this one, and it did hit. You see already, it did hit already that level. And what are we waiting for? This is no more valid now. This is not valid now. So the most we can hope for now is rearrange. Guys, you can bookmark this so that whenever I will tell you to buy or to sell, you just have to. So what will happen now is the market has broken already the moving average. It has hit the first resistance. Usually take profit is here. That is if you are on the daily time frame, guys. I'm on a daily time frame. So we'll be expecting that if price breaks here, it's gonna reach here. Then if it breaks here, it's gonna reach here. But for now, this is a we are expecting, if price doesn't come back and reach this level, then it's not a sell. But if price, by the end of the day, price only reaches here, you can put your sell signal, your sell stop wherever. If price, say for example, price closes there at the end of the day, you put your sell stop and take your profit here. Yeah, you can put your sell stop and take your profit there, and knowing fully well that the price might only reach at this point. If actually it's going to continue to go up, it might only reach at this point and then continue to go up. But if it breaks and reaches here, then it's already a sell. So when we look at it from the weekly perspective, what do we see? We see that, yes, okay, so what we'll be expecting is for price to reach at this point. Looking at it from the weekly perspective, we'll be expecting price to reach here. It will only reach here if it breaks, as I said. If it breaks here, comes down and hit maybe this area, we'll be expecting price to break and go right now. But if it doesn't, if it remains at this level, it still has chances that instead it's gonna be a buy, and a very big buy that will just break all these areas and go right up here. Yeah, so if it's not selling as per the weekly, we should be putting our buy stop right here and taking the first profit here. as per the weekly. So guys, what I'm saying, you just have to bear with me. You can bookmark. Make sure next week, from next week onward, I'll come back to this video um, so that we get updates on what happened. So the closing of this week, which is today, it's gonna be very determinant. If price doesn't come further right down, if price doesn't close at this area, then next week we'll be expecting a buy, and that buy, the buy stop should be right up here, and we should be expecting a very long profit, a lot of pips, guys. Yep, should be expecting a lot right at this point. So from the weekly, it's messy. All those line size. It's from the daily. So as I said, yep. So if we have to buy, guys, it's from up here. That is from up here we have to buy. If whatever price does this week, it's none of our business anymore. If by next week price closes at this area, doesn't come right now, then put our buy stops here. Trust me, you're gonna first of all hit here, 100% sure you're gonna hit here. Then after, you'll be expecting to hit here and continue. Not like it will just go straight, but we are looking towards that direction. So it's about buy stops, guys, and sell stops, not market execution. As I say, market execution is not good because your emotions will always take control over it. Whenever you want to execute a trade, market execution, know that you are emotional. Trust me on this one, guys. Know that you are emotional. Even if that trade succeeds, it's still a bad thing because you'll be like, oh, okay, if I could just out of intuition, because that time you will call it intuition, and or maybe you saw it coming. Unless you had those areas in your mind of hate. Like if I remove all of this, if I remove this now, if I remove it, and then I'm just observing the market, and I see price do something here, I already know that okay, there was an area here, or there should be an area here. Then say I came back and I found a market giving me a buy confirmation here, then I can enter by market execution. But I will not just come and see the price going up like then I'm thinking, hey, if price is going right up here, then boom, I know it's gonna reach here, and then I buy. That is your emotion. So always avoid that. That's why I always preach market. I always preach stops, because already well planned. You know that if price breaks here, you give your stops 10 pips. Price breaks here and triggers your buy stop. Obviously, it's gonna reach here. So uh, it looks kind of corny, guys, but it is what it is. That's how trading is. You look at trading with an open mind. You don't say it must go down. It only goes down when it breaks or it triggers your stops. And your stops, you set them as per your strategy. And it is the strategy that I'm teaching you guys here all the time and every day. So let's go and let me show you why I'm saying what I'm saying with that live trade. So a lot of this, a lot of this. So let's do this, guys. So this is should be, anyways, let's go to daily first, I mean to weekly, and then so that we don't get biased, guys. I say that all the time. So it shouldn't be like we knew this already, then we are just practicing for practicing sake. We shouldn't know anything. We should make it difficult so that you'll be able to solve them and then learn from them. So identifying key levels. We are already so late into the video, guys. Anyways, identifying key levels, that is where to take our profits and where to execute. So it is what it is. Right now, let's see where price is going. Okay, so price is beginning to say something. Why I didn't look for any level here is because it's kind of just so clear that price was already so it did break. Let's see if it's gonna break up here. Then we take our profit. We'll have to take our profit here. Okay, so as I say all the time, guys, when it breaks like this, it doesn't say, hey, I'm going right up. You know, it will come back, retest. Sometimes it retests and breaks. Then we'll be expecting now price to reach here and give us a buy signal from here. So it gave already. So this is already a buy signal, guys. Sorry I didn't see it. Then that's it. We buy. This is already a level, but we're hoping. As I say, sometimes we hope, but being realistic is taking our profits at this point. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Yep, we took our profit. As I said, being realistic. Being realistic, you take a profit here. Then anything that comes after this now, guys, it's hope. You're just hoping. Yeah, you're just hoping that price will then go up. So you can take out 80% of your profits and leave 20 to run. Then you bring now right now it's still not advisable to bring up your whoop. That's it, guys. As I said, that's it. It goes right up here because this is always a good signal, always a good one. Though it's not like every time you see this you have to buy. No, I bought because I said when price breaks here, it's a signal. It comes back, it will come back and reach here and then hits and give us a buy confirmation. And before I could finish, it had already given the buy confirmation, which is this one. And that is why I bought. And I said the most realistic one is this one. It hits. Then the next thing is hoping, which you can leave your 20% to run. Then it did actually went that way. And guys, that is how it is. You can get out here, you can get out here. Already here is already a bonus. For you, if you're a good trader, you already know when to get out. So for me, I got out, and I will say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe because we'll always be giving, that will encourage me to always be giving out stuff and valuable videos like this. So see you again.